Hey guys, Crystal here for Unity. Today I have a really fun card using the newest kit of the month, Eyes of the Beholder, and Gracie Designs Happy Moments. I have pre-cut and colored my bird from my kit of the month using the sentiment Happy Birthday from the Happy Moments from Gracie Designs. I'm going to be placing some embossing body onto my card panel that I have already placed the rose red cardstock and chopped off the top. I'm going to use white heat embossing powder, removing the excess with the pencil to clean up my lines, and then heat setting that with my heat tool. Once that is nice and dried, I'm going to place the bird by only placing some adhesive on the bottom part. To give this bird some background, I'm going to place some gold watercolor. This will allow us to be able to write in our card, yet give it some background. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Have an awesome day.